leather straps. Luckily there are some tools for this which can make this progress much simpler. So I will show you. Here is one of my tools. It's a Rolson. Yep, and I have chosen there are different sizes of this one. I'll show you a little bit. And now I will choose this one, which will fit actually. So I will just begin here. Let's take a look. I would definitely use, see here, what did I just take? Press a little bit hard here. Fit. There you go. The other one is a little bit smaller though, but this works as well. Another way of doing this. Let's take a look. It's not that bad, right? This is a great tool to use. Let's try and see how it works. If I place this, it didn't fit me so good, so let's try it. Hope for the best. Great. There you go. Thank you guys. Take care. And take care of one another.